The controller is the central module of the online and the replay sessions. New sound velocity profiles can be imported here. Select the sound velocity profile icon in the toolbar. Or go to Settings, Sound Velocity Profile in the menu bar. Select Import to import a new sound velocity profile. Select the file that contains the sound velocity profile. Select Open. The Import Sound Velocity Profile dialog is started. Select the correct format and a preview will be shown. Most profiles have a downcast and an upcast. In the Options section, a choice can be made between downcast and upcast. If desired, it is also possible to import the file with a depth interval. Tick the Use Depth Interval box and enter an interval. When satisfied with the import settings and a preview is shown, select Import. The profile is imported. Review the profile. It is important that the profile reaches beyond the maximum survey depth. If the sound velocity is shallower than the depth, the last value will be used. If necessary, the profile can be edited by adding and removing rows. Use the right mouse button and select an action like Delete Row to delete a value. The sound velocity values along the line are not simply interpolated, but based on the algorithm from the C13 publication of the Hydrographic Society. Select Apply. Make sure the sound velocity profile is enabled in the Echo Sounder settings. Select the tab Echo Sounder. Go to the field Velocity Profile and make sure the profile is enabled. Select OK to close the Echo Sounder settings. The sound velocity profile is applied.